Hi sa tanan, I'm Jess of Liquidity Philippines and today we're gonna feature this house na for sale siya, 5.5 million, very near sa establishments, very near sa hospital, mall, and even mga schools. So tara, Obaniko. So this house is already gated na, and then this is seated in a 150 square meters. So upon here is your porch, mini porch. So pwede ka diri pag mo sulod, mag-coffee, mag-chit-chat, or mag-cellphone. And then, diri, before ta mo sulod, this is your huge, pataas ano, na parking space. So pwede ka mag-extend diri pohon jud in the future. So pwede dira imong dirty kitchen or service area na mabutangan nimo. Then, gaman nila kulang for canopy tapos safe na imong mga cars. So, mosulod ta sa house. So, welcome. Diba? Very nice kaayo ang house. Super elegant. White and brown ang theme. So, diba? Amazing. Gabi kahabog, no? Look at it. Gabi ka high ceiling. Tapos, I love na pagsunod ni mo. Makarelax din kasi mo ang living area. And then, simple lang, no? Pero, gabi ka elegant. Your dining area over here. With the access sa imuhang parking area. And then, of course, ang dako na kitchen. Kung ganahan ko personally og kitchen kay dili man magluto-luto man gud. So, before ta mo proceed sa master's bedroom, ato sang i-check ang duha ka bedrooms diri. So, muni ang first bedroom. So, dako pud siya, no? Di ba? White. Yan ko white. Mami, ko sa white. And this is a three-bedroom house with two toilet and bath. So, diri ang ato ang common na toilet. And of course, the second bedroom, which is gapo siya pagka-design ano. This is supposed to be a closed room, pero ilahad yung gibutang ano ventilation over here, so natural light and fresh air mo come in, di ba? So amazing. Amazing kayo. Naningaw ko sa house. Then let's proceed to the master's bedroom. So this is your master's bedroom with your own toilet and bath. So imagine naka-ceiling nakatile siya with high ceiling. And then over here is your bed with your naganahan ako ani is this one. Naa kay big window to see kinsa ang nisulod or diba? Maka nice ang view diri. So this is the house na nindot jud guys siya for small families or big families. So if you are interested in this house, do message me and I'll be happy to assist. Once again, I'm just Quickest of the Philippines. Thank you for watching.